Hi, welcome to the final project, the chat system. The chat system has two main parts, GUI and Neural Network Online. I will give a brief introduction first. For the GUI part, the purpose is to make the chat system more user-friendly. First, I created a function. The users can send emojis now. The users can click the buttons here, and the emojis will be sent directly. Also, I created some buttons, and they can realize the corresponding functions like getPoem and askTime. I also updated the instructions. The instructions can instruct the users use the chat system. The second part is the Neural Network Online. It has two functions. One is that the user can paste the address of a photo here and click submit. The chat system can recognize the digit in that photo. The second function is that the user can draw a digit on a canvas by himself and then click predict. The chat system can recognize the number on the canvas. Next, I will show you the app. First, a user called Chadwick log in. And then a second user called Mike logs in. First, let's see the functional buttons. The user can enter number 3, click get poem, and then the third paragraph of a poem will show. And the user can also click the bottom ask time, and the time will show. Click the bottom who chatting. It shows that user Chadwick and Mike are online now, but they're not in any group, so Chadwick, you can connect Mike. So let's connect Mike. Input the name of your peer and click connect peer. And you can see Chadwick and Mike are connected now. Say hello to Mike, click send. So Mike received Chadwick's message. Mike say hi and send. Chadwick see Mike saying hi. Chadwick can send the emoji smile to Mike, and Mike received that. Mike can send the emoji thumb. Yes. The neural network messaging here is to paste the address of a photo here and click submit. Let's do that. Here's a photo. Paste the address. Click submit. The chat system recognizes that there is a digit 8 in that photo. Let's see whether it is correct. Well, it is correct. This is the digit 8. The user can also draw his own digit. Let's try it. Maybe 2. Click predict. Well, the result is correct too. Let's try again. Maybe 3. Predict. Well, it is 3 now. Maybe 8. Predict. Well, it is 8. So the accuracy is actually very high. After chatting, Mike can say bye to Mike. And now they're disconnected. Now Chadwick can search his chat record, like whether Chadwick has said hello. Click search history. It says that wow, Chadwick said hello on 1927. Yes, and after using this chat system, Chadwick can quit the system by clicking the button quit. Now see you again. Okay, Mike, see you again. See you next time. That's the demo of the app. Next, I will analyze the code for you. First is the GUI part. Let me explain the emoji part first. First, create the button for smile and thumb. If you click the button, it will call the method send emoji. And when the send emoji method is called, it will type the emoji in the input window here for you, and it will click the send button for you. So actually, yes, the program do the job for you and just send the emoji. For the functional buttons, all these 6 functional buttons have the same logic behind, so I will just pick connect peer functional button and explain it as an example. Let's see how the function is realized in the original version. This is the instruction of the original version. You can see that the user needs to type C and the name of his peer to connect to the peer and chat. Like type Mike here and type C and Mike here and click send to connect with Mike. And here's the code in the client state machine Python program. In the current version, the user just needs to type the name of his peer here and click the button connect. Let's see what's happening in the code. There's an import window. If the user type Mike here, then Mike is passed to this parameter called entry parameter, and he clicks the button connect peer. The method connect peer is called, and then Mike is extracted from the parameter, and then the program will type C and Mike for you here and click the send button for you, and then the message will be sent and the system will connect you and Mike. So actually, I'm just use buttons to replace the operating process before, and now the interface is more user-friendly. Next, I will explain neural network online for you. First, there are some preparation work. There is a Python program called train and save. If you run this program, it will call the train method. The train method is in the Python program called CNN. In the CNN, it uses the neural network to train a model. You can see that the number of epochs is set to be 10, so the train model will iterate all the photos in the training database for 10 times and improve the parameters of the model. Then the model will be saved to this file for later use. The first function is upload an image and recognize it. First, there is an input window. You paste the address, and the address will be passed to this parameter called entry image path, and then click the button. It will call the method submit image. In the submit image method, the method predict will be run in another thread. If not, the GUI will break down. In the predict method, the image will be open based on your address. The address is passed to this parameter, and then the image will be normalized to a certain size, 28 and 28. That corresponds with the size of the photos in that training model database. And then it will call the CNN method, do the prediction, and then call the show prediction method to display the prediction. You can see that in the show prediction method, the prediction is shown in the window of the chat system. The second function is to draw a digit, and the chat system will recognize it. First, there will be a button called draw. You click it, and it will call the function open drawing window. In the open drawing window method, it will create a canvas with black background, and you will paint with white brush. That corresponds with the photo in the database. After you paint, you click the button called predict, and it will call the function predict drawing. In the method predict drawing, your drawing will be transformed into an image, and that image will be normalized to a proper size. And then call the CNN method, process the image, and do the recognition work, and then show the prediction in the window of that chat system. These are the packages used in this program. Threading makes it possible to run the prediction mission in another thread. These are the packages in other chat system programs. Torch make it possible to save the module trained so that it can be used next time. The transforms package can be used to normalize the images to ideal size. The image package makes it possible to upload an image according to the address. There are some reflections. First, some buttons can be integrated, because if I want to add more buttons, maybe more emojis, there will be not enough space. So actually, some buttons can be integrated to save some space. Secondly, the prediction is not always right. Yes, there will be mistakes. Maybe the algorithm can be improved so that the module will be better. Finally, the digit recognition function can only recognize one digit at a time. If the function can recognize more digits at a time, it will be more useful. Let's imagine a situation, maybe people is doing data statistics, and he needs to upload the numbers in a table to an Excel file. If the function is improved, he doesn't need to type the numbers one by one by himself. He can just take a photo of that table and use this function. The chat system can recognize the numbers for him and upload them to the file. That's all. Thanks very much.